you can earn great money from Facebook by uploading your content on Facebook as well. Right now I'm in my Facebook Creator Studio for my page A2C Arts and Crafts. Let me just go to Insights. In the Insights, let me just go to the earnings. Let me just select for last 28 days. If you see, for last 28 days, the earnings of A2C Arts and Crafts Facebook page is around $1,081. Now, if you convert that to Indian rupees, it's more than 75,000 rupees in last 28 days. So more than 75,000 rupees every month, in fact, right? So you could see last 28 days, it's around $1,081, and before that it was $987, close to $1,000. Now that's the kind of earning potential you also have for your content. Either you might be a YouTuber who's been creating a lot of content. Certainly you can upload those videos on Facebook and earn money from that. If you're uploading on YouTube and Facebook, it is not going to affect your content. Why? Because you're the original owner and you have all the rights to upload in both the platforms. Now, if you are a person who has not yet started with YouTube, then it's completely okay for you to directly start with Facebook as well, right? So this is the earning potential. Now let me tell you the criteria for earning money from Facebook by going to one of my different Facebook page which is not monetized. Okay, so let me just select okay, so let me select this particular page. Okay, and let me click on view. So let's go to monetization section. So here is where you will understand all the criteria for monetizing your page. So like YouTube, even Facebook has different types of monetization option that is there. But for creators, I want you to focus on one thing right now, not everything. One thing that you should be focusing is on in-stream ads for on-demand, right? This is what we should be focusing. Now, this is something that is equivalent to you having 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on YouTube and monetizing your video to earn money from that, right? So this is equivalent to that. In the same way, they also have paid online events, right? They have subscriptions like YouTube. They have Meta Brand Collab Manager, Stars, Supers. So I don't want you to worry about this much right now. Let's discuss only about this, which is important as a content creator. Okay, so this is suitable for content creators who create regular videos and upload on the Facebook page. Now the eligibility criteria is you having 1,000 followers. Now it does not really matter whether you're going to get that 1,000 followers in 10 days, 30 days, or 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. It does not really matter, right? So all the criteria is you having 10,000 followers and having around 6 lakh total eligible minutes viewed in the last 60 days. Now what exactly is this minutes, right? So in 60 days, your page should have got more than 6 lakh minutes viewed, which are public views. Okay, so that is something that it is saying. So in YouTube you have 4,000 watch hours, but here it is 6 lakh minutes that has to be viewed in 60 days. Now you might be thinking that it is going to be very, very difficult. No, it's not something like that. Why? Because do understand there are a lot of creators on YouTube right now, but very less creators on Facebook. It's a right opportunity for you to start and grow on Facebook, which is slightly easier on Facebook right now. And Facebook is a platform where it has real users, right? There are real people who are there, right? Once you start creating content, you can certainly share within Facebook and you can get more views as well, which can lead to getting more watch time, which is going to help you to monetize faster. It does depend from content to content, but don't worry. It is not very difficult to achieve 6 lakh minutes if you're creating the right content. All you need is one video which is going to go viral and help you to get that watch time as well. And last thing is you need to have 5 active videos on your page. So this indicates that, okay, you need to have at least 5 active videos in your page so that your page qualifies for monetization. Okay, so you might have uploaded 15 videos, 20 videos, 30 videos. It's all good. So at least at the point of monetization, you need to have 5 active videos. So now what are the kind of ads that are going to be displayed on the videos once your page is monetized? To give that info, like YouTube, they also have something called as pre-roll. That means an ad which is going to play before the video is going to be played. Those are called as pre-roll ads. They have mid-roll ads. That means where the ad is going to be played in between the videos. And they also have something called as image ads, where images can also be played image ads can also be played on the video, right? So these are the three things that can happen once you qualify for in-stream ads. Now do understand, for content creators, this is going to be one of the major source of earning. Okay, so this is the criteria for it. I also want to mention one more thing. Okay, so if you see here, why Facebook is so important, right? So Facebook has over 2.45 billion users, which is slightly higher than YouTube as well. And Facebook videos can also be monetized the way I said right now. Even they are going to pay 55% of total revenue to content creators. Okay, so which is a major share that goes to the content creators. Next, 4 billion video views happen on Facebook every day. Whether you want or not, the moment you log into Facebook, I'm sure you are watching the videos, right? So once you start creating videos, it is going to be the same way where your videos are going to be appearing in others' feed as well. Because Facebook is a discovery platform and YouTube is a search platform. In YouTube, we search for the content and we watch it. But whereas Facebook understands about each and every individual, and based on that, it is going to show the videos, right? So that's how you end up getting views on Facebook. And again, as I said, the earning criteria is 10,000 followers and 6 lakh minutes viewed in 60 days. And one important thing to consider here, Mark Zuckerberg did mention in 2021 that we want to build the best platform for millions of creators to make a living. So we are creating a new program to invest 1 billion to reward creators. So Facebook team has been putting a lot of efforts to bring in quality creators to Facebook and reward them as well. So the best time for you to start your Facebook page, build it and earn money from that. So this is the information that you should be knowing on the criteria to earn money from Facebook. If you have any question related to Facebook, either it could be a simple one or complicated one, just comment below. I'll be more than happy to answer. And I've created a special playlist for you. Just click on this info link and there are a lot of related videos which are related to Facebook, how you can grow your Facebook page, how to create a Facebook page, everything in detail so that you can grow your Facebook page and earn money from that. So just click on this info link and watch the complete videos in that series. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please do comment your questions. I'll be more than happy to answer. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe, hit that bell notification and select all notifications so that you don't miss any informative videos from this channel. Thanks and take good care and see you in the next video.